Consider a scenario, okay? That is, you're going to read in the newspaper, or let's say some other news, where it says that there is a chance that it might rain today evening. Now, when they say what is the chance or the word chance, here we talk about probability, in the sense, what is the chance it might happen, it might not happen. So, what is the chance, what is the probability that it might happen? So, see here, if you look at the statements, what I'm telling, I'm talking about chance, probability, it might happen, might not happen. Correct? So, there are lots of words what we are throwing around in this case. Let's try to understand what exactly is probability in this chapter. Since last year, you have been studying about probability, and that too you're talking about basics of probability. Since till last year, you have learned about basics of probability, isn't it? You have learnt about how to calculate the probability of an event or a chance of an event. In this year also, you are going to understand how to mathematically calculate probability. But along with that, you have other things too. In the sense, you have different definitions and different standardized numbers and values for certain cases. Okay, which of course you guys are going to study about it. See, there are different approaches for a probability, to solve a probability problem. Okay, the first one is a classical approach. The next one is a statistical approach. Classical approach is where you count and get the number. Okay, that's an axiomatic or a classical approach. But when you come to the statistical approach, we have general set of formulas which you can use. All right. Now, whenever some probability experiment you are doing, we call that as a random experiment. Okay, so a random experiment meaning some random event can happen. Again, one more important word, event. Okay, so collection of all these events becomes a sample space. One more important definition, sample space. Okay, then you have event, like I told. See, when we talk about an event, tossing of a coin is an event, or crossing of a road is an event. There are different types of events. All right, something which can never happen, you're going to learn about impossible events, sure events, or complementary events, compound events, mutually exclusive, mutually exhaustive. There are different types of events. You're going to understand about everything. But one thing in this particular video I want to tell you is that probability is based a lot on permutation and combination. So if you have not done the combination video, please go through the combination video once. Practice combination because it's going to be quite easy for you to do the rest of the problems in probability. Alright, so with this introduction, in the next video, we are going to look into these definitions and the words whatever we have been using in much more detail. Fine. So we'll start with the theory of probability from the next video.